Hi, today you've heard of me INFINIX Note 12 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why let's stop to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. Then tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near the green Apple keyboard we should click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and just go back to the app. Here we should click the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's go just for example to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.